question is the efficiency of an ideal heat engine working between the freezing point and the boiling point of water is. So basically we have to find out the efficiency between the freezing point and the boiling point. We have to basically find out the efficiency of ideal heat engine. So the heat engine efficiency of heat engine is directly depends upon temperature. Heat engine efficiency depends upon temperature. So now eta would be equals to 1 minus T2 upon T1, that is final temperature upon initial temperature. Okay. So T2 would be basically the boiling point of water. So that would be, if you write T2 would be boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. So it would, so basically we'll convert it into the Kelvin. Okay. So now it would be 100 plus 273 Kelvin, and T1 would be 0 degrees Celsius, so that would be 0 plus 273 Kelvin. So it would be 1 minus 273 upon 373. Okay, so it will give you 37300 this. So now percentage of efficiency would be n into 100%. So that will give you, so you can say approximately it would give you 26.8%. So this is the answer. So if you have to choose the option, so this one would be the correct option.